Today's video, we will learn how to create these animation scenes using free tool in Canva, step by step. Let's dive into the magical world of animations. We'll be creating 3 animated scenes together. Scene 1, the jungle safari. Scene 2, playing in the snow. Scene 3, going to school. First, head over to canva.com and log into your free account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Video, which is 1920 x 1080 pixels for YouTube video. Now we are going to do our first scene. Click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. In Search Element, Key and Forest Background, and click on Graphics. We will choose a bright and cheerful background. Let's go with this background. Right-click, Set Image as Background. Next, let's add some characters to our scene. In Search Elements, search for keywords Jungle Animals. Under the filter, click on Animated Free. Canva has a fantastic library of free elements. Let's see what they have. We will add this rabbit. Here is the butterfly. The bee. These 2 zebras. And the deers. Position where you want them to be in the scene. You can resize, rotate, and layer them as needed. Now is the fun part, animating. Canva offers various animation styles like fade, pop, gaze, and slide, all for free. Now we want the rabbit to hop. First click on the rabbit, followed by Animate button in the top menu. Next click on Create an Animation. Then click on Rabbit again and make a hopping path. For movement style, select Steady, and you can also control the speed. You can click on the Play button at the bottom to see the hopping rabbit. Select Done if you are happy with the way the rabbit hop. To make our jungle more lively, we will animate the butterfly and bee using the same method as above. Now we will do Scene 2, playing in the snow. In the Search Elements, search for keywords Winter Background. We can also search using keyword Snow Background for more options. Now we will choose the characters for this scene. This time we have the snowman. this little penguin. Next, we look for some animals to play in the snow. Let's take this skating tiger. This cute penguin to play with the tiger. Behind, we have two deers right at the back, with one of them hiding behind the snowman. Next, create animation on one of the deer, moving out behind the snowman. Now do animation on the little tiger skating and penguin walking. Wintertime will not be fun without snowing. Select this animated background. Click on the transparency option to adjust the opacity of the snow. Here you are, we have the tiger and little penguin playing in the snow. Now is the last scene, going to school. We will choose a street background in the search elements. Search for keywords, street background. For the character, we choose an animated school bus. And also this skating boy who is playing nearby. This schoolboy waiting for school bus. We will do animation on the school bus and the skating boy. And that's it. Great job, everyone. You've successfully created 3 amazing animated scenes. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and having fun. We've created 3 beautiful animated children's scenes, which can be used in children's story for free. Here are the final products. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Studio for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!